Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install and use GIMP on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that GIMP is a free and open source image editor for Windows 10, or you can say it is the best alternative for Adobe Photoshop. Now to download, just open your browser and search for GIMP and open the link from gimp.org. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download GIMP software. To download, simply click on this download button. Here we have two download options. You can download GIMP from BitTorrent or you can directly download GIMP from the official website. To download GIMP from the official website, simply click on download GIMP directly. Here you can see it is downloading. It is around 242 MB, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process, and after that I'll show you how you can install GIMP on your Windows 10 system and how you can use the software. Our download has been completed. Now let us install GIMP on Windows 10. For that, simply click on this icon, then click on open. So let me minimize the browser. Here we have two installation options, install for all users or install for me. If you have multiple users assigned to your Windows 10 computer, then you can install GIMP software for all the users. So depending upon your use type, you can select any of these. Then here select your language, then click on OK. If you want to customize GIMP, then you can simply click on customize, and here you will get license agreement. Simply accept the license agreement. Then this is the default location where GIMP is going to install. So if you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button and you can select your location. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on next. And here you have to select installation option. So I will recommend you to select full installation, then click on next. And here we have an option to create a desktop shortcut icon. If you want to create desktop shortcut entry menu, then you can check this box, then click on next. And here we have our installation information. Simply check this, then click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process completes. Our installation has been successfully completed. Now just click on finish. Now to open the software, simply click on this launch icon. This is the interface of GIMP. Just maximize the window. Here you will find all the required tools which you need to edit your images. So here we have file option, edit option, select, view, images, layer, color, tools, filter, windows, and help. And here we have our toolbar, and here we have some tabs that will help you in the process of editing the image. Here we have layer option. Here we have some hardness option of your brush, whatever tool you use. If you have some basic idea about image editing or Photoshop, then you can easily use this software. To open your image, just click on file, then click on new, and here you have to select your image size, then select transparency option, then click on OK, and it will create you in a canvas. Now you can import your image here. To import image, simply click on file, then click on open, and here just open your image. So here we have our image. Now to copy this image, simply click Ctrl Alt, then click on Ctrl C copy, and here simply paste that image. Here we have all the required tools. If you want to move this image, simply click on this move tool and you can easily move your image. Now if you want to crop this image, simply click on this crop icon, then simply select the crop portion, then click on enter. So here we have the cropped portion. And similarly, you can use other tools to edit your image. Now if you want to learn from very basic how you can use this GIMP software, then follow their tutorials on their official website. For that, visit the tutorial section. Here you will find all the tutorials. Simply select your tutorials and here it will guide you through every steps. This way you can download and install GIMP on Windows 10. If you're looking for the best free image editing tool, then you can try GIMP. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.